Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Joshimuddin Study Point. I believe you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Dear viewers, today I want to discuss how to use articles, indefinite articles A or N. My dear viewers, we have completed all the rules how to use articles. But today I want to discuss all the rules in a class. Okay? So try to understand. Dear viewers, you will make a note and you will follow the board to understand. Okay, dear viewers, firstly, if you want to use A or N, you have to follow the word after the blanks. Okay, follow. You will follow the word after the blanks. Okay, when the word's first letter will be vowel, then you have to use N. When the first letter will be consonant, then you have to use A. Okay, try to understand. He has dash umbrella. Okay, this is a sentence. You have to use article. Okay, try to understand. Dear viewers, you will follow the word after the blanks, that is umbrella, and you have to follow the first letter, that is U, right? You know U is vowel. For this reason, I have to use N. Clear? Follow another example. He has dash pain. You follow the word after the blanks, that is pain, right? And you will follow the first letter, that is P. P is consonant. For this reason, you have to use A. Clear? Dear viewers, follow another rule. You have to follow the word after the blanks. Okay? Dear viewers, when the afterwards first letter will be vowel, then you have to follow the pronunciation. Okay? When the pronunciation express U or wa, U or wa, for this pronunciation you have to use A instead of N. Try to understand. Dear viewers, he is dash one-eyed man. This is a sentence. You have to use article. You have to follow the word after the blanks. Okay. This is one-eyed. This word is one-eyed. You have to follow the first letter, that is O, right? And you have to follow the pronunciation. One-eyed. One. The pronunciation is wa. One. For this reason, you have to use A instead of N. Okay. Dear viewers, follow another rule. You have to follow the word after the blanks. Okay, when the word's first letter will be consonant, then you have to follow the pronunciation. When the pronunciation express vowel sound, then you have to use N instead of A. Okay, follow example. Ram is dash honest man. This is a sentence. You have to use article, right? Follow. You have to follow the word after the blanks, that is honest. You have to follow the first letter, that is ace, right? You try to express the pronunciation honest, not honest. Honest. This is consonant, but you have to express the pronunciation honest. Honest. This is vowel sound or vowel sound. For this reason, you have to use and instead of A. Okay, follow another example. Wait for dash hour. You have to follow the word after the blanks, that is hour, and you have to follow the first letter, that is ace, that is consonant, but you have to follow the pronunciation hour. This is vowel sound. For this reason, you have to use and instead of A. Clear? Dear viewers, follow other rules. My dear viewers, you have to follow the word after the blanks. Okay, when the word after the blanks will be abbreviation word or contraction form of a word, then you have to follow the first letter, and you will try to express the pronunciation. When this letter express first vowel sound, then you have to use N. When this word will express first consonant sound, then you have to use A. Follow an example. Dear viewers, he is dash MA. This is abbreviation word or contraction form of a word. Okay, I have to follow the first letter, that is aim. You try to express the pronunciation aim, aim, and you will think the first pronunciation is a, aim, m, a. A is vowel sound. First sound is vowel. For this reason, you have to use an. For another example, she is dash BA. This is another blank. So try to understand. The word is BA. You have to follow the pronunciation of B. B. First express consonant sound. For this reason, you have to use A. Clear? My dear viewers, there are only 4 structures or 4 rules how to use A or N. That's enough. Okay. You will be able to use A or N in any position with this structure or these rules. Okay, my dear viewers, in the next class I will discuss another use of articles, that means how to use the. Okay, so quickly subscribe the channel to get another video. Thanks for this time. Wait for my next class.